Hey guys, Akash here. Here I have bought a wireless microphone. Before starting with the video, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It helps me to bring out new contents for you. Starting with the video, on the front side we see Boya branding and it comes with ultra compact 2.4 GHz wireless microphone system suitable to devices with USB-C type ports. At the back we get to know specs of this microphone, which I will discuss in the coming video. I bought this microphone at the price of 2849 and currently it is available at the price of 2499 on Amazon. You can find the purchase link in the description. And at the top it shows that it comes with 2 years of warranty. Now let's find out what we get inside the box. So here we get a USB rubber cable. This is a USB type A to type C cable used for charging the microphone. So second thing we get is a microphone which comes with a Boya branding on it. At the back we get a 360-degree rotational clip. At the bottom of the microphone we find a USB type C female port. And on the side of the microphone we get a power button in a black and noise cancellation in a blue. Long pressing the button turns the microphone on. The blinking of the light shows that it is in a pairing mode. Long pressing the button will turn the Bluetooth back off. Here is our receiver. It comes with Type-C connectivity, and at the side we find a Type-C female port, which can be used as a Type-C charging port. So at last, here is our user manual. As I have gone through the complete review of this product, you won't be needing this guide anymore. But still, if you need it, you can use it. This is what we get in the box. So that's it for today. Have a good day. Bye for now.